Definition of conjugates. Of a binomial sort. The conjugate of a binomial sort one, root A plus root B is root A minus root B. E.g., we can have root 2 plus root 3. The conjugate is what? The conjugate is root 2 minus root 3. That's the conjugate of root 2 plus root 3. 2. When we have root A minus root B, then the conjugate of this binomial sort, root A minus root B, is root A plus root B. E.g., we can have the conjugate of root 5 minus root 3. The conjugate of root 5 minus root 3 is root 5 plus root 3. The principle is that once the first one is plus, then the conjugate of that plus one will be minus. When you have minus, the conjugate of minus will be plus. 3. If you have n root A plus m root B, then the conjugate of this binomial sort is n root A minus m root B. E.g., the conjugate of 2 root 5 then plus 3 root 6 is 2 root 5 minus 3 root 6. Now the last form, when we have n root A minus m root B, then the conjugate of this binomial sort is n root A plus m root B. E.g., the conjugate of 6 root 3 minus 4 root 5 is 6 root 3 plus 4 root 5. So the basic technique there is this. Once the first one, that is the original binomial sort, is minus, then the conjugate is going to be plus. Same time. When you have plus, the conjugate is going to be minus. Please take note of that. Thank you.